Yeah.
It's way back.
OCC Plus, man.
What do you
Here.
fucking got right in front of me, right immediately?
She did right.
That
That was amazing.
Seat up there.
I was trying not to laugh right away.
He told me before to be front and center. So
No, you're
Dude, it was funny. She shot right up there all happy, and instantly he's like,
Ed says, you know, you drowned in the mountain. So like, first thing you do is like fly up to the front door.
oh, that was fucking
I'm
awesome.
like going like this.
That was pretty
I've been
funny.
hanging out with Santos. So
Exactly.
True.
now I'm really going
True,
to hell.
right?
True.
So, OCC Plus, we're here. It's real. What are your thoughts?
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
Like, it's wild on a couple different things. On one, a whole new venture you guys have never done. Own production team, own content, and about ready to release the first one.
Feels good. It
Right?
feels good.
Yeah.
From
it
my
feels good.
perspective, like we can actually freaking deliver.
Yes.
Like, so I'm talking to the client, right? I'm promising them, hey, we're going to show your product. It's going to be great. It's going to be this. And then I'm sitting sometimes and it's like, wow, I didn't get to show all that. Now it's
Yeah.
like we can show everything
Yep.
about that client. EOD Warriors was like the best first client ever.
Yeah.
Because how much did you guys really want to tell their story? Like,
Yeah.
think about it.
I learned
right?
so much just
Dude,
working with those
it was
guys.
exciting, right?
They're amazing. Like, I had no clue what it was or
I didn't either.
really what went into it, but after working with them, we're going to be able to tell their story and do what we love to do, build bikes
Yeah.
in the same
Yeah.
episode
Yeah, I
and
think
have
it's-
ultimate control.
You
Yeah.
could represent your client properly.
Yeah.
Bam.
And that's what he deserves.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And, you know, and I think that, you know, overall, we look better as a brand and as people.
Yeah.
Excuse
And
me,
it-
what's
know
the
what I mean?
he thing?
People-
He deserves or she deserves?
Uh-oh.
Better watch out. She's
Never
going to
win
cut
on
you.
that one. You could never win on that one.
No, it does. It tells our stories too. You know, like I've said before, there's been so many things we've all wanted to say, but we
Right. really
really couldn't or never got there. Well, now we can tell that, you know, to our fan base.
And it's not going to get walked on by someone
yeah,
else.
no, it's important. It's no bullshit. Yeah.
No, I think it's freaking, you're taking a bike, right? And that bike, first of all, anybody that loves bike building is going to love to see the fabrication and the intricate details that
Yeah.
you guys do.
Yeah.
But when that bike's telling a story, and
Yeah.
that's how I visualize it, it's
That's
like
exactly what it is.
the
Yes, it
bike
is.
takes on this life, you know, of its own now, and you can watch that whole entire life transform
Process.
from
Yeah.
start to finish. I love it.
I
think
love
it's
it
so
too.
cool.
The beautiful thing about this platform is that it's anywhere, anytime, and you can
Yeah,
you can
go
send
get
it
on
in an
there.
email, you can text it to a buddy, and it's online and it's streaming right there. You don't have to be in front of a television set at a certain time to watch it.
Yeah.
So it
Different
has
audience.
it's
Yeah.
a new audience, it's a new generation with streaming the video, and you can hit anyone in the world within seconds with it. So if you want to show
powerful.
someone something, bam,
Hey,
you
look,
just
it's
text
right
it
here.
right to them.
Yeah.
They can see it on their phone, on their tablet, their computer, their TV, their smart TV.
I love the 6 minute
It's
like
insane.
part of it because
Yeah.
I never have time
It's quick.
to watch something. So
Yeah,
it's like,
who
you know
does?
what?
I
Give
don't
me
have any time.
6 minutes here. And I was so anxious to watch the next day.
Yeah.
Right.
Like I watched the first, chapter of the episode and I was like, all right, 6 minutes. Wow. But you know what? Like I had something to do, but I couldn't wait the next day
Yeah.
to watch the next 6 minutes.
And
Especially
twice a
today's
week, so it keeps
generation,
them
right?
going.
Yeah.
It's always on
Keeps
to
them
the next thing. You
interactive.
want
Yeah.
something quick.
That's it. They
Yeah.
want to watch it. They
Get
want
to the
move
point, get
Yeah.
something out of it, and move on.
Yeah.
You're
I
right.
love the reality, the
Jordan.
raw reality of it again too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like so
It's
the
down to earth. It's honest.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's
No
super
bullshit,
honest,
yeah.
man. It's just us doing what we do and everyone working together. But what really sets it apart for me and where my mind's at is the caliber, the high caliber, how the
Yes.
production, the
it
video,
looks so
the
good.
editing, the
So
timing,
good.
it all
The crispness.
delivers,
Yeah.
dude. It just
Yeah.
delivers so well and it plays so well on the screen. That
Yeah.
it's
Yeah, it's pro, bro.
perfect.
Dude,
Because
I wasn't
real.
expecting
Yeah, no.
it. I wasn't expecting it to look so good.
I
know.
honestly
You
know?
wasn't
That
either.
was
I
scary.
honestly wasn't. I was no bullshit.
It was
I was
scary.
a little worried, dude.
Yeah.
You know, our beautiful little production team and stuff. You're just like,
Yeah.
is it gonna look like a cell phone? And oh my god, like, and all of a sudden you're
Three
like,
guys.
holy shit, this is.
It's
You know,
true.
everybody that I've showed it to in my family, you guys and
Pro.
friends,
It's pro.
they're like, oh my god,
Yeah.
this is just the quality and content is
And
absolutely
it's amazing how many people that we're working with and what our production crew
Is right.
is.
You watch a movie, you
Top
see the
notch,
credits
yeah.
roll, and it's hundreds and hundreds of people that are working on it, and we got Chris and Eddie and then Patrick.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And that's it.
And they're killing it.
And
They're
that's
killing
it,
it.
man. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But it's team
Killing you,
spirit.
Brian.
But you
That's
know what
the
that
difference.
shows though is passion.
Right.
It is
and
passion,
I've always
yeah.
said that in bikes. Dude, I've built bikes my whole life with the simplest tools in these two hands.
Yeah.
But if you put the time and passion in it, it will ring true.
Yeah.
And I think people are going to see that in our show, our content, the way we represent our customers, and our personal relationships. You know,
It's a lot more honest than what
Yeah, I
you
think
know?
it shows
It
everybody
gets right to the
exactly.
point.
Yeah, who
and
they
it
are.
shows where you are now, not then,
Right,
but
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
What are we
I
up
think that's
to?
important for
Exactly.
people
Yeah, it
to
is
know where you
important.
are now and who you are now.
And,
That was-
and
yeah.
you owe that to the fans,
Yeah.
you know, to get to really know you for who you really are.
People
But,
want
you know
that,
what I
man.
mean?
Yeah.
Not, yeah.
For better or
To
for
see,
worse.
to see, yeah, for better or for worse.
Yeah, I mean, but all of us, I feel like that's part of what you guys have always said made America fall in love with you guys in the beginning was that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So OCC Plus.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
I'm psyched.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Watch it.
Watch it. Be there.